The TLC reality series, 1000 LB Sisters, has amassed a passionate, loyal fan base since it first aired, and now, that very fandom has become a force to be reckoned with. As rumors swirl about the possible cancellation of the show, fans are taking to social media, message boards, and even petition platforms to voice their rage, heartbreak, and outright threats toward the network if it dares pull the plug on their beloved show. With tensions building and speculation reaching a fever pitch, it's clear that the show has become more than just entertainment. It's a movement, a lifeline, and a cultura. A moment that viewers aren't ready to lose without a fight. TLC has found itself at the center of this brewing storm, with its inboxes flooded with emotional pleas and warnings, and network executives reportedly scrambling to figure out how to handle the fallout. What sparked this intense backlash? According to several online reports and insider leaks, TLC is reevaluating its reality TV lineup amid budget shifts and changing demographics. While 1000 LB Sisters has been a consistent performer, insiders claim its future has been uncertain due to rising production costs, cast health concerns, and recent controversies surrounding key figures in the show. The idea that Tammy Slaton, Amy Slaton, and their ever-evolving personal journeys might not return to screens has sparked absolute chaos in the fan community. For viewers who have watched these sisters battle obesity, relationship trauma, addiction, motherhood, and viral fame, the show has become more than a reality series. It's a mirror into the raw, unscripted side of American struggles. The backlash didn't start slowly, it erupted. Fan pages with tens of thousands of followers began organizing campaigns within hours of cancellation rumors spreading. Twitter, now X, saw hashtags like #Save1000LSisters and #TLCWedemandMore trending within a single day. Facebook groups shared message templates urging fans to contact the network directly, with some fans even threatening to boycott TLC's entire catalog if 1000 LB Sisters is axed. Comments ranged from devastated, "This show saved my life and gave me hope," to furious, "Cancel the show, and I'll cancel TLC permanently." Petitions on change.org surged with signatures, some surpassing 50,000 supporters in less than a week. Tammy and Amy Slaton themselves have remained relatively quiet about the cancellation talks, though cryptic TikTok videos and emotional live streams have only fueled fan fears. Tammy, now a post-weight loss success story and influencer, posted a video simply captioned, "Y'all don't know what's coming," while Amy tearfully told fans in a recent IG Live that nothing is guaranteed anymore. Their silence has only strengthened the speculation that something major is happening behind the scenes. Fans believe TLC may be preparing for a soft cancellation, no formal announcement, just a quiet fade out with no new season renewals. The emotional investment in the Slaton sisters runs deep. Tammy's jaw-dropping transformation from near-death to empowerment has inspired countless fans struggling with health, mental illness, or societal stigma. Amy's chaotic but deeply human navigation of marriage, motherhood, and self-worth has struck a chord with audiences who see themselves in her story. The sisters' unfiltered conversations, their Southern Kentucky charm, and the rawness of their family dynamics made 1000 LB Sisters stand out in a sea of overly produced reality shows. This wasn't just drama for ratings, this was real life, real pain, real laughter, and real growth. And fans feel like they've grown alongside them. But not all of the attention has been positive. The show has had its fair share of controversy, including alleged behind-the-scenes tensions, mental health breakdowns, child welfare investigations, and on-camera meltdowns. Amy's recent legal troubles and custody rumors, along with Tammy's turbulent relationships, have drawn criticism from media outlets and health professionals who argue that TLC exploits vulnerable individuals for ratings. These controversies have reportedly made some advertisers nervous, leading to financial uncertainty for the show's future. TLC is believed to be reviewing whether continuing the series could become more trouble than it's worth. But for fans, those raw and uncomfortable moments are part of what makes the show authentic. Still, fans insist that the show does far more good than harm. Many have shared their stories of how watching the Slaton sisters helped them lose weight, seek therapy, reconnect with family members, or simply feel less alone. The show has inspired forums and support groups dedicated to health, self-improvement, and recovery. Tammy's commitment to her health post-rehab has even made her a motivational figure in the obesity recovery community. Viewer argue that removing the show now, just as Tammy and Amy are entering the next chapters of their lives, would rob the audience of witnessing the culmination of a journey they faithfully followed for years. There's also a deeper cultural conversation happening about representation. Fans argue that shows like 1000 LB Sisters give voice to people from poor, rural, overweight, and often marginalized backgrounds. Where else on television, they ask, can you see two plus-size Appalachian women openly discussing food addiction, trauma, and body image in ways that are unpolished but relatable? Fans claim that canceling the show sends the message that their stories, and by extension, their lives, don't matter in eyes of mainstream media. While TLC has yet to make an official announcement, industry insiders suggest that discussions are ongoing about either retooling the show, transitioning it to a streaming-only format, or spinning off new series focusing on either Tammy or Amy individually. Tammy's Transformation series is rumored to be in early development, while another insider hinted that a documentary-style special focused on Amy's legal battle and motherhood struggles is being pitched to Discovery+. But many fans have made it clear, they want the original format, the original cast, and the familiar dynamic that made the show a hit in the first place. Behind the scenes, sources close to production have admitted that the uncertainty has cast a dark cloud over the cast and crew. They don't know whether to keep filming, start other projects, or wait for clarity, one anonymous crew member revealed. It's like waiting for a breakup that no one wants to talk about. This limbo has caused strain on both the production team and the cast's personal lives, with Tammy reportedly feeling betrayed by the network and Amy frustrated by the lack of direction. The pressure from fans has also raised questions about how much influence viewer can or should have on network decisions. While fan engagement is essential in the age of streaming and online metrics, some argue that threatening a network is crossing the line. But others counter that this level of passion proves the cultural relevance and emotional value of the show. "We're not threatening TLC for fun," one fan wrote on Reddit. "We're fighting for the one show that made us feel seen." At the core of the firestorm is a simple truth: fans feel ownership over the Slayton sisters' journey. They've laughed, cried, and raged along with them. They've witnessed births, deaths, marriages, divorces, addictions, and miracles. The idea of that journey being cut short, not because the story is over, but because a network decided it no longer fits their branding, is simply unbearable for many. As the outcry continues to swell, TLC is faced with a crucial decision that could shape not just the fate of 1000 LB Sisters, but its relationship with a devoted community of viewers. Will the network respond to the impassioned pleas and deliver more seasons of the unfiltered, emotional rollercoaster that is the Slayton family's life? Or will it choose to silence one of reality TV's rawest voices at a time when authenticity is more valued than ever? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: fans of 1000 LB Sisters are not backing down. If TLC thought they could quietly cancel the show without consequence, they've clearly underestimated the army of viewers who are ready to fight tooth and nail for the return of their favorite reality TV sisters. And in an age where fan loyalty can make or break a show, TLC may have no choice but to listen. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.